I'm going to show you how to set depth on a router. I showed you how to zero it out before and use the scale with a gauge block, remember?
Yep.
Okay. Now, what if you're working on a router table or you're working with a fixed base router, okay, and you have no depth setting rod here? Okay, what I do is I'm gonna go down and set this router for 9 millimeters of depth.
Okay.
Okay, and what I did is I made a gauge block. I call them my little Z's, okay, where that's 5 and 4 domino. I know it's perfect. And I put another one up top there. So what happens, I put it with CA glue, okay? So I'm gonna loosen my router knob here and loosen it here. And you can do this, say this was on a router table, and I'm gonna take this, and hopefully we can see this, but I'm gonna adjust it out of whack. And Chris, you get that? See how there's space right there? There's daylight? Okay, so I'm gonna take it like this and dial it in.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now check this out. What if it was off in the opposite direction where you're gonna see daylight right here? See how easy that is? So I can dial that right in so I don't see daylight, and I got an absolutely perfect depth on that router.
Awesome.
So there you go.